Damn, boy.
What the fuck, Chris? Why you look so clean?
Damn, bro. Bagong camera ba yan? What the fuck?
Damn,
Holy
bro.
shit. Camera ba yun,
Holy
eyeball?
shit. Alright, guys. Kompleto tayo ngayon. Napakagaling. Okay, we have clear and obscure right here. Light and darkness. Nagpalitan na yin and freaking yang. In light, there is dark. In evil, there is good. Amen?
Amen.
Amen. Alright, simulan na natin. Let's freaking go.
Ako yung taga-tingin, okay? Wala si Neil. Iniwan tayo ni Neil.
PR pa ba yun?
That's how it is,
PR
bro.
yun, gago.
PR pa ba yun?
That's how it is, bro. PR pa ba si Idol?
Imagine mo, 99%. Self-proclaim 99% wala dito.
Na.
Oh, anyway, nakalagay dito. Matakot ka na, Chris. Oh, no, Chris.
Matakot ka na.
Sa rule 34 ka na,
It's
Idol.
real, it's real.
Yup, 4?
Bakit nag-reply ka na dito? What the hell?
Like legit, pagkagising ko ng umaga, yung nakita ko sa naging, shut the fuck up, bro.
Why you
What the hell,
why you gotta
bro?
use Stalin, bro?
Naging ano na siya, gago. Naging commenter na si Chris, okay?
Yeah, actually,
Wala na.
let's see. Search mo Ken right now. Go to Rule 34.
No!
Look for this guy. Search for it right now, bro. We're about to do it, bro. We're doing it. We're committing to this shit, okay? Do it. Do it.
Ay! Oh, oh my God! Fucking delete that shit! Delete that shit in my
Why
fucking
did-
ano! Oh
why
my
did-
God, bro!
oh, what
What
did
the
bro
fuck?
do?
Did I do?
Sabi ko sa'yo, I warned you, man. I fucking warned you, man. You never listen.
Freaking
What the fuck?
hell na!
The most
Moving on, okay?
the
Moving
most fucking Ken saw in one frame,
Siya
bro.
lang ako. Ito na
Holy
yung
shit.
evidence na gunar si Ken.
You just fucking dick, bro!
I can finally prove it.
Oh, tayo jump scare.
May jump scare, pre!
Holy shit.
Anyway, another cameo. Ay, puta, si Boss Anjo.
Congratulations.
Ano na siya?
codes.
Congratulations, Boss Anjo.
Like,
Congratulations sa
everywhere.
bahay natin.
Damn, bro, W!
Tayo na, katawa nga ako sa comment dun eh. Sabi ko,
Ano?
after nila kay Gloco, dito naman siya.
They know, bro.
Bro, it's everywhere now, bro. Ano nung bahay kaya sunod after nito, no? Holy shit.
Yeah, bro.
It's gonna be everywhere, bro.
Nakalinaw naman siya, tama.
Tara,
Alright.
tara.
First
Next
time
one.
job waiter.
First
Ano
time
to?
job waiter.
Wait, ako yung mag-order. Ako kukuha ng order, ha? Ay, ka mag-order. Ako na. This is my waiter, bro. Wala lang do it, bro. Kinuha ko na order nila. I-order, bro.
ina mo.
I-order. Order. Asa na? Order. Di ko alam.
So that's your POV of us,
That's my POV.
That's your
okay?
POV of us.
Ang
Puta
taktak
ka na.
kasi, hindi
Di
ko
mo
alam na
ginawa?
may... Yung papel, sabi ko, tapak, wala namang binigay ko. In-expect ko, magte-tell na lang yung game na
Wala ko muna.
nag-order na sila.
Ang ina mo. Kaya pala, gago may binapat. Alam mo ba may binapatok ang papel sa kusina namin?
I was like, what the
Sabi
hell
ko,
is
ano
this?
to? Gago, tangin, bato ko to sa, basurahan
Yung
na.
pala yung order nila.
Maandar na yung oras na, no?
Damn, bro, that sucks.
PR
PR Restaurant,
Episode
episode
1.
Ayan, bro.
I can't take it anymore. He breathed it. And now I'm breathing it.
Hey, we're not dead. You sound ridiculous. Me? You should hear you.
I don't get it.
Gaga na, ano yung
Get it,
boses? Yung boses kasi.
Ah, yung boses ba? Putang ina, never mind. I get it now.
Holy shit.
Yung boses pala, sorry, I'm loading, bro.
Ano yung comment yun? Vanilla sounds like Madboy 360. It is, bro.
It is, bro. Ito nga.
What the fuck is Mad? Lagi nila sinasabi yan si Madboy 360.
Sa Manila,
That's
si
Manila,
Bad
bro.
Boy. Bad Boy
Bad Boy.
360.
Yung sa-
Hey, it's Mad Boy 360. Di ba alala?
What the fuck is that?
Ay, gago, lo.
Wala
Ano?
na, wala. Delete ko
Tinanggal
na.
na,
Nah, bro.
tinake down.
Hey, it's better than saying na putang na they sound like Chooks TV, bro. Madboy 360.
Gago, ako na
For
kayo
life,
chok.
bro.
Oh, tama na, nakaka-joke sa original ka, boss.
That's
Mad
true,
Boy
that's true, that's
360 crawl for Chokes TV to run, okay?
That's it.
Tama.
Alright, next meme.
Oh, next meme. This is not a meme, bro.
No, I'm not. Sige.
This is not a meme.
At kala hindi ko pa napapanood yan. Sorry, Khalil. Okay.
Thank you for the memories.
Nakita ko, sad, bro. Thank you for the
Yeah.
memory, OGP.
Yan niya. Tapos like yung mga snippets ng corner ng house na yun. From all the vlogs and shit, bro.
Bro, I wonder how the house looks like now, bro. It's been a month.
Gago, it looks like a...
Probably sad, bro.
Hindi, kasi video na yun. Parang before umalis yung mga editor.
Yun nga eh. So, yun nga
Kasi andito
ngayon.
yung mga gamit.
Mukha na kayong The Last of Us doon. Gago.
Nah, bro.
Who knows, bro?
Holy shit. Anyways.
Sino to?
Oh, wow,
Dito si
wow.
Erwin. Post ko daw.
Erwin!
Genesis din kasi pangalan ni Kiko, tanga.
Tanga alam ko, pero po kailangan
Ay, we can do that to Neil, ah.
Actually, we should do that today.
We can do that to Neil.
Ano masabi ni Erwin? Sige.
May madami, Erwin.
Din kasi
Binarage bit
pangalan
eh.
ni Kiko, tanga.
Tanga alam ko, pero po kailangan
Walang bawi.
Walang bawi, boss.
Walang bawi, putang ina.
Walang bawi.
Tingnan mo yung comment. Tingnan mo yung comment. Kupal
Ewan
talaga
ko
mga
kung
editors natin.
Ang inang bibig yan eh.
Nakita ko na yung video na yun eh. Putang ina, hype talaga. Mga Indonesian ano. Random thoughts ko lang po. Oh shit.
Random thought ko.
Tapos sa
Ano?
discrimination. Ito kasi may kulay green papunta dun sa goblin sa vampire. Ako bahala dyan. Hindi ko magtatabihin yung mga ano. Ay ka ba? Ay ka ba? I got it. I got it.
Yes, exactly.
Nice, bro.
Nice, bro.
Nice.
He knows race, bro.
Nice.
He knows race.
He knows race.
Nice.
Yeah.
My boy
the
knows
race,
race.
Hell yeah.
All races, bro.
Yan, sunod.
Gentleman dispute. Nilan, Chris.
Halika rito, boy.
Hey, sa pala mo. Here. Oh, damn. Ano ba slapping niyo, bro?
Halika rito, boy.
Hey, sa pala mo.
Taka ng gentleman's dispute. Putang na, nalaman ko lang yung magandang build. Putang na, pagtulungan ako ng mga hayop na yan.
Putang okay naman kasi ng build mo. Yung canyon niya, puta. 10 yata yung lumalabas eh.
Sabong kanyo.
Okay nang inang yan.
Kaya ko sa mid mo kin eh.
Man, what the fuck is that game, bro?
Control up mo.
It's gentleman dispute.
Puta,
Diyan,
masyado
wag dyan,
lumilit
doon sa
eh.
labas, doon sa labas, doon sa labas.
Ano labas?
I-close mo yan.
You know what?
Tada,
I'm
i-spoil
gonna
tayo
close
sa susunod
screen.
eh. Na-spoil tayo sa susunod eh.
Ano ba yun? Oh, puti kita. O, ganyan, yan to.
Yan.
Para di na-spoil. Yan.
Putang ina kayan mo
Okay,
kasi
good,
kang
good.
inang yan.
Sorry.
Ah, spoil na ako
First
sa
timer
sunod.
ako dito. Okay, first
Ay,
timer.
Alright, you're doing fine, bro. You're doing. You're actually doing
better.
better than Neil right now, bro. You're good. You're good.
See any difference?
Yes.
I don't, bro.
Tanggalin mo nga yan.
AI ba to?
Tanggalin mo nga yan.
AI ba to? What the fuck?
Tanggalin mo nga.
This real.
Hindi. Tanggalin mo.
Ito,
AI,
hindi.
bro. What the fuck?
Tanggalin mo ang sombrero mo. Dali.
Ay.
Oh, damn.
Look like a Toto, bro. Holy shit.
Honestly, like, I was still surprised with how Dengshan did my fucking
Oh, damn, bro. Double dunk yan, bro.
double Dengshan.
Damn, bro. They've been there for years, bro. They gotta learn.
Ang ina.
Shit is so expensive.
Para di ko
bro.
Bro,
Bastos,
it
ang mahal
is,
naman
like,
dyan.
I'm not kidding, bro. Like, search any fucking barber shop dito, tangina. Siguro pinakamura nga, it was like 30 pounds. And sa ano pa yun? Sa
It's like,
Scotland pa yun, putang ina.
like-
Tapos ano pa yun? Like, it's like a Turkish barber shop pa, okay? So, yun
Oh
yung
my
parang
fucking God.
pinaka-cheap na pwede mo
Damn, bro.
hanapin.
Yung mga ano pala, yung
Insane,
mga foreigners dito na parang, damn, bro, that's so cheap. Di pala sila.
Yeah, that's why, ano, okay.
They're
That's
like,
why,
bro.
pag galing sila sa ibang bansa, papunta dito sa Pinas, they look like shit, di ba? Pero pagkalabas sila sa Pinas, they look like kings. Kasi they all
De.
pampered up. Ay, na, masahe dito. Alam mo yung
Bumili
ano?
din ako, ano.
Di ba yung 500 pesos na masahe natin na normal dyan?
Yeah.
Dito, putang na, ano, ang katumbas nun, mga 3,000 pesos din. Mga 60 pounds. Yes.
Hell na, bro.
5K hata.
Abugbog na lang ako sa labas.
Yun nga eh, putang na.
Ang inang mahal, 3K.
Hindi bugbog makuha mo dito. Acupuncture makuha mo dito. Libre kan eh. Putang inang yan.
Never mind.
Dato, sasaksakin ka dyan nga.
Putang inang yan.
Hindi pala gulpe. Anyway. Next meme.
Puta na, what the
Go,
fuck?
I love this
eating
shit.
right now.
Putang inang yan.
Who the fuck?
I feel like I've seen this face before, bro. It's not my face. Putang inang yan. I feel like, hindi ko lang alam kung sino. I swear I've seen this face before, man. I don't know if it's Jesus or I don't know, dude. Like, I've seen this face before. I was like, that's not me. Pero good on ya.
Damn.
Good on ya. Thank you, Claro.
Thank you, Claro. Tahan natin. Para 500 na yan. 500 na yan, boss.
Yan. Alright. Next meme.
Na-break na ba? We're trying to break the
Wait,
meta.
how the fuck did this even get up again?
Si Boss Anjo. Sinur ni Boss Anjo to eh.
Yeah, but like it
Nakita yata
got
nila,
17k likes and I don't
Oo
know.
nga, no. What the fuck?
Gago, I
People-
think, ang ganda ng ano niya yun, no, ng posting na yan ngayon. We're trying to
Yeah.
break the meta na pag gamer ka, wala kang future. Yan, maganda yan. Like,
Yeah.
5 years ago now, kung gamer ka, wala ka na
Wala
talaga
ka ng future.
Masyado na saturated, gago.
We broke it, bro. We actually broke it, bro. Gago.
We broke the meta so much, we're fucking broke as well.
Alam mo yun, ano? Alam mo yung nakita ko tong post ulit.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung meme ni fuck, who was that Studio Ghibli, director? Oh my God, sino nga yun?
Miyazaki?
Okay, si Hayao Miyazaki. Alam mo yung post, yung meme niya na parang anime mo sa mistake. Yung pinanood ko yan. Sabi ko, gaming mo sa mistake.
Bagong quote, guys. Bagong quote. Gaming is a mistake.
Gaming mo sa mistake. May Yossi pa ako dito. Holy shit.
It's so
But hey,
big,
man, like people got empowered by this. A lot of people were sharing it, and then they felt empowered. And
Yeah.
good on ya, guys.
Tama,
Okay?
tama.
Sana all na empowered.
Good shit, good shit.
Oh, we broke the meta so
Ngayon,
much.
pag gamer
we're
ka, wala ka
fucking
ng
broke.
future.
You know what else is?
We are broke.
You know what? Exactly, bro. You know what else broke us?
The game, bro.
Meta broke us, bro. That's what happened.
Now I'm regretting my decision, bro. Sana nag-programmer na lang ako.
Dapat naging ano na, naging IT tigay na lang ako sa Singapore, di ba?
So, nag-develop
Better,
lang ang mga guys mo.
Yeah,
Tangin
exactly, bro. Gaming was a
Are we
mistake,
going
bro.
down, Uy, nakita ko na to.
Uy,
Thank you,
Uy,
Clara.
puta.
sino?
Ina-soft boy ka,
Thank
no? Holy shit. That. Damn.
Thank you.
Wala na, nag-react na, nag-comment na, wala na.
Nakita ko eh.
Thank you.
Kaya
Dapat
nagano
sa
eh.
PR
Uy!
members binaban dito eh.
Damn, Chris, kaya pala ayaw mo magupitan yung buhok mo para maakit si Neil.
Tingnan mo yan, comment ko dyan.
Nice meme,
Nice
bro.
Nice move, bro. Tangin na si parang na
Homelander
Homelander.
kaya.
Ano yung isa? Ano yung coke na yan? What is that?
Ano nakalagay? Maganda.
Christmas.
Chris, maganda.
Damn, bro.
Damn,
Hey,
bro.
no way, bro.
This thing will forever hunt Chris.
Medyo
Ay, puta, alam
don't
ko.
play that shit.
Parang alam ko na
Don't
agad to.
play
eh.
that shit,
Play that
man.
shit. Play that shit,
Don't
bro.
fucking play that
Nah,
shit.
bro. Play that shit, bro. Okay.
Oh, shit. Ayap. This is exactly what happened, bro. There's so many people helping Chris.
Please. John, please release it, bro.
Pull him out.
Release
You
it, bro.
have to release
Release it,
it, bro. Release it on Christmas, bro.
Release
Please.
it.
Please, Christmas. Release it on Christmas, bro.
Hell no.
Please. On Christmas, bro. You can't naman.
Parang
At least may karamay ka
apat na
dyan,
tao na
Chris.
yung nagtatanggal eh.
Bro, please. Imagine the money we'll make out of your video.
Yeah,
Chris.
tama.
Just do it. Just do it, bro.
Mag-iisip mo na, si Chris mo na mag-isip ng caption.
tama.
Okay.
Oo.
Ano caption na?
Tama.
Tama.
Parang
Tsaka ko
POV ni Chris.
pag-isipan yan.
The PR incident, bro.
POV.
We don't talk about
Anong
this.
POV?
We don't talk about
Nobody talk about what happened in
yung ball.
Ball ba yun? Ayaw nga, no? Yung nagkaroon tayo.
Ball yan, ball.
Holy shit,
Oh,
we
next
haven't
meme.
even posted the vlogs of that.
Next
Holy-
meme, bro. Bigyan mo na lang nalo yung pinagsasayang sa'yo na nanay mo kakagising mo lang. Tapos nag-chat siya sa'yo. Napauwi na siya.
Damn, it's
Nice.
so
Thank you,
specific,
bro.
bro. Rowan,
Nice one,
I'm
bro.
so sorry
Yeah,
for you if that happened to you. Okay?
Yeah, bro.
Holy
This
shit,
probably
so
happened
specific.
to her.
Yeah, it's so
Masyadong
specific.
eh.
Damn, I'm so sorry for you, Rowan.
Trauma dump eh. Trauma dump sa YouTube posting.
Alright,
Ikaw
next.
doon, ah.
Yung gusto na rin ni Chuchi na pera. That actually
Nice.
looks like Chuchi, bro.
Putang na, naghihirap na kasi yung
Doesn't
Pinas, oh.
like to see,
Pati yung aso kailangan na ng pera. Hindi na
Damn.
tayo kahirap.
Alam mo ba,
I think like
nag-grocery ako.
papabantay mo si Chochi, ano?
Nag-grocery ako dito, 4K. Putang na, ilan lang yung nabili ko.
Yeah, konti lang.
Damn.
Fuck.
That's crazy, bro. Ano nabili mo? Ano nabili mo sa 4K?
Ano
Like,
bibili mo
is
sa
it
4K
enough for like a month?
No, taka na. It only lasted
Hell
for
na,
like
bro.
3 to 4 days, man.
What the fuck? Hell na.
Fuck, ano pinili mo? What?
Hell na, bro. Putang na, that's too much, bro.
Bro, the putang era. Talo mo pa yung
Mga
British,
3K, 4K,
mga
mga 2
British.
weeks ko na yun, oh.
Eh, no way, bro. Holy
Yeah, bro.
shit.
Kaya na may binili kang nilaklak mga ganda ngayon.
Oh, God.
Baka mga chichire na.
Yung pang 1
Inubos
month
agad
mo
eh.
dapat puta inubos mo in 3
Baka
days.
pang
Kasalanan
mga
mo na
energy
yun.
drink naman yan, ay, bro.
Tingnan mo. Bro, my
explain.
grocery here is like, holy shit, like 2 to 3 days, my grocery here. Hindi na ako nagpapagpag, ah. I'm a change
Yan,
man.
hindi na nag-ano. Why you have to say?
Ayun, okay.
You make your own
That-
shit
no, kasi like, pag nagpagpag ako dito, it's gonna fuck me up in the long run, bro. Kasi like, it's mostly pastries and shit, and it's gonna, I'll have a stroke in like 5 months time if I keep doing it. 2 to 3 days of groceries here will last me like mga 1,500 pesos, bro. I buy bacon, I buy eggs, I buy milk, I buy brown rice, and yun, buhay na ako.
Brown rice pala si Idol eh.
Brown
Yun
rice.
nga, lang, yun nga lang, bacon and mackerel ako for the next 3 days. 3 or 4 days.
Yun lang.
So, this is
Ay,
fresh.
next meme.
Next meme.
Si Ghostly.
Oh, shit. You know what else is ghostly right now? Si Neil.
He's ghost.
Which
He's
ghosted
ghosted.
us
He
today,
ghosted
bro.
you.
He
He's
ghosted
ghosting
us.
us, bro.
He's ghosted everyone here, bro. That's exactly what he looks like right now, probably watching this.
He's live right now, ah. He's live right now.
Angry react mo nga yan. Can we go to his live? Can we go to his
go.
live? Go to his live right now.
Pinoy
We'll fuck him up.
Reacts,
We will
tas
fuck him
live.
up. Pinoy Reacts to Neil, ano, okay?
Ano daw,
Dugtugin
Neil?
natin.
Sabi siya nga, try Neil yata siya kalab eh.
Dugtugin natin.
Ayun
Oh,
nga.
fucking shit. Why is he?
Ano?
Hey,
Di naman
no.
gumagalaw yung sa nila eh.
Nilbit, gago. Sana
Masaya ka.
Gago, hindi ka ano sa stream niyo.
Oo nga eh. Hindi, wala to. Okay, din sabi ko.
Why the fuck are you no
Anyway.
name trash, bro? Damn, look at this
Why,
guy,
Yeah,
bro.
bro,
No
that's my
name trash,
edgy
ah.
name, bro. That's my edgy name, bro. What the fuck, man?
No name trash,
Hindi,
bro.
maglagay ka
What
sa
the fuck?
Pinoy's place, tapos sabihin mo, ano.
Oo, yeah.
Oh, sige,
Sabihin,
sige.
hindi, go sa Pinoy
Pinoy
Reacts.
Reacts, para mas maayos,
Hindi, sabihin mo,
Pinoy Reacts.
oh, Pinoy Reacts.
Pero
Sana nandito.
Ay,
Sana
hindi.
masaya ka at nandito ka ngayon.
Wait lang,
Sabihin
puka
mo.
na open ko pa yung account, okay? Tapos
Okay,
ilalive ko pa ulit.
Do it,
Wait,
do it, do
give me
it,
a
do
minute.
it. Do it, bro, do it, bro. Yeah, go, do it, bro.
Sana masaya ka.
Go, sana masaya. Yeah.
Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang.
Ito na lang, sana masaya ka. Puta, hindi ano dito si Pino si React. Di modded.
Hindi mod din. Wala to.
Hindi mo din.
Di rin mod, pre.
Dito na day
Sabi
one.
na eh.
Ayun mo. Sabihin mo, ano pa sabihin natin? Ano ilagay natin?
Masaya ka ba sa ginagawa mo?
Masaya ka.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, indeed.
Oh my God!
Oh my
Yan,
God.
bro. Oh my God talaga, bro.
Hindi, planado lahat yun, tol.
Ang hindi namamansin ng chat to. Putang ina.
Sabi mo, tangina, wala to, di namamansin sa chat.
Nag-stream ka pa, sana video na lang to sa'yo.
Bigay mo sa akin, Tol. Bigay mo sa akin. Bigay mo sa akin.
Sabi mo, pre-recorded
Yeah.
to guys, hindi to live.
Oh! Ilan na to?
Yaga, pre-recorded to
Wala nga
guys.
siya.
Recorded nga,
Gago.
Wala nga.
Bro,
Pre-recorded
smart,
nga
smart,
to, bro. Holy
Kailangan
shit.
niya, kailangan yung Bubaldo kasi kailangan niya mag-live ng 2 oras.
Bro is
Ano
probably
ka na,
fucking sleeping right now, bro.
Yan lang,
And
Tol.
skip
Magkano
na,
nga
no?
ulit tayo? Baka sila
Ang
ulit.
hindi siya lang mamamansin, boy.
Sisipin ng client,
pre.
no?
Wala to, gago. Wala to,
Nakabawi,
man.
nakabawi.
Tingnan mo, tinignan niya yung gilid. Di tayo pinansin.
Look at that guy, look at that guy.
Okay.
Thank you, Sin. Thank you sa, sa tip.
Di ba?
Wait lang, baka kasi magkaroon
Yung tip po, wala naman eh. Bro is just looking at TikTok,
Sila
bro.
ulit yung makalaban.
Oh my
What
Hindi na
the
ata sila.
fuck,
Ayoko
man?
na,
This
okay.
guy, ayoko
I'm
na
gonna
ito.
close this, okay?
This guy's actually, This
Yeah,
guy's
bro.
actually talk shit.
This is
about, bro.
pre-recorded, bro.
Oh my god.
Pre-recorded to
Pre-recorded,
gago.
bro.
Holy shit.
Pre-recorded.
This guy ain't real, bro.
No one
Close it, bro.
literally no one fucking tipped dun sa tang ina. Wala.
Sa live niya, pero wala akong nakita.
Huling-huli
That's
si
actually-
Trinil.
that's actually-
Tang ina,
that's actually
gago,
smart,
ito yung aanin
That's
natin,
actually
okay?
smart,
Ito yung kaso niya sa sa guilty as socks, okay?
Mga barka tayo, guys. Nakita niyo naman si Neil. Mukhang pre-recorded yun, guys. Niscam lang
Oo,
kami.
guys. Makikita na sa guilty as socks yun, okay?
Tama.
Yeah. Wala
Makikita niyo yun
magdidepend
doon.
doon. Siya magdepend sa sarili niya. Okay, next.
Anyway, go down,
Hey,
okay?
go down, go down.
Oh,
that's some cool ass
Wala pa
art
per
from
PR
our
verse,
end.
sorry, medyo kulang pa. Wala pang ideas pag
Ah,
shadow.
it looks good.
Ano,
That
shadow,
actually looks
pag
good.
ano.
Yeah, bro.
Isi-cell shade niya pa yan, gagi. Actually, it looks fucking good. Look at that.
Bro.
Looks amazing,
She got
bro.
our face shapes and everything, man. So good.
Yeah, this me, bro. Kasi may nunal. Basta pag may nunal ako agad eh.
Oh, putang ina. Yun lang may
That's
identification.
Exactly ba? Bakit lahat ng fan art, nakikita ko lagi may nunal, oh. It's
Yeah,
just
we
my thing, oh.
We kind of look like someone, like people from Di Jojo, eh. I forgot that other anime, bro. Anyways, thank you,
Anyways, we go down, oh. Thank you,
Good
to
shit,
Rian.
good shit, good shit.
Ano to?
What happened here?
Ito yung, pumasa, okay.
Oh, yeah, pumasa. Congratulations,
Ito
man.
yung
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Don't thank me, man. It's all on you.
Thank
I'm
you,
saying it
Chris,
again. It's all on you, man.
You got it, bro.
You
Yes.
secretly
Okay.
wanted him to fail, bro. Nah, man.
No.
Gago.
Nah, hell no, bro.
Ini-evil na,
Evil
ini-evil
eye mo.
We go down.
We go down.
We go down.
You know, there's gonna be a new upload soon. I just can't prove it. At
Well.
talaga, kasi nag-sinil, di ba?
Ay, oo nga.
So, nalalaman nila. Nalalaman nila, oh shit, nagre-record si Neil.
Tapos nakikita mo, nare-reactan mo rin eh.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Putang ina.
Oh, reactan mo na rin. Malaman niya.
Nirektan ka na, yan na, nirektan ka na, boss.
Sa second episode
Uy,
niya
ano
pa
to?
malalaman niya. Chris doing an
Please
intro.
doing
diba?
intro.
What did you
Intro
do?
mo, Quinn.
What the fuck do we do? What's up mga kaibigan? Welcome.
Ano nangyari dun? Nawala siya.
Kinakyo, buka na kina.
Sabi ko, intro mo.
Kupal talaga.
My dear sirs and madam, it seems we find ourselves at odds and... Ina mo!
Ano naman? Look how they respect
I
my
will
boy.
never again. Intro mo, Quinn. Tangina, alam mo ba, di ba,
Disrespect
mas naman na yung,
Tangina mo,
mas naman na yung gentleman's dispute na nilaro natin. Tangina, bumawi lang ako dun sa
Really? Kala ko di ba
bro,
na?
nauna, Devour ako eh.
Bower,
Yeah.
pagkakalam ko eh.
Nauna,
That's
Devour
what you
ako.
guys did to me sa ano, okay?
I
Dun
think
sa Don't
it's
Scream
Devour,
Together,
bro.
okay?
Puta,
Yes.
di recorded okay?
Okay,
Okay.
next meme.
He said the thing. Ano yung he said the thing?
thing.
You look small or different in person.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
You
Puta, this what Chris did oh.
This is what Chris did, bro, okay? See what happened to him? He could be
See what happened
IT
to him,
guy
bro?
in Singapore right now, but he met his hero, bro.
He could be earning millions right now, bro.
Millions right?
See what
He'd
happened?
be earning millions.
Gaming was a mistake.
Heroes, kid.
Exactly what
Okay,
happened.
game.
Bro. Like mo yun,
We go down. Like natin. Like, ha lang ha.
Okay, next.
Ain't no way
Nice.
what am I watching. What? I don't get it, bro.
Where did you even get this photo, man?
It's from the
Lagi sa
fucking
ano to eh.
thing. Alam mo,
Sa-
yung ginawa mo.
sa
It's
Facebook.
AI generated
Yeah.
though, yung ano, putang ina yun.
Yeah, I know, but where did you
Okay.
get this photo, man? Is that
Did you
unedited
not,
photo?
did you not,
Pinost mo
ano?
yan?
Wait, did you
Ano
not
pinost mo yan?
any-
Kinat ka lang
pinost
oh.
mo yan.
Ano, ang dami
Pinost mo
pa nga
yan.
edge oh. Ito yung edge
Post
dito.
an unedited picture of that. Pagkakalam ko, sinad ko lang yun kung kanino eh.
Nah,
No,
bro,
you fucking posted that
You
as a
posted this
sponsored
shit
shit.
sa PR.
Oo.
Sa PR page.
Remember?
You're cooked, bro.
Damn, you're cooked, bro.
What the fuck, man?
You're
Puta,
cool,
you
bro.
getting old, bro. Puta,
Getting old,
memory
bro.
mo. You're cool,
Welcome to
bro.
my world, bro.
Dito, pagkaalam ko dito, di ba hour talaga eh. oh.
Okay, game. Next.
Ngayong December, everyone join the Christmas party. That one drunk uncle.
Damn, we still have masks there. May COVID pa niyan, gago.
Yeah, COVID na rin ata to eh. Damn, bro.
Yeah, bro. Skip hanggang mamaya, yung mga pinatay na yung ilaw, gaga. Pili na siya to.
Keep that shit, man.
Skip,
Dito,
skip,
dito.
skip. Ayun na yung mamatay na yung gaga. Sinat siya.
Dito.
Everyone, gonna change my love for you.
Puta, nandito ako sinat siya.
How much I love you.
Damn. Kanina setup na sa'yo
Damn,
ba yun
bro.
yun, John? Is that yours?
Yeah.
Iba nila to. Iba
Holy
nila to.
shit.
Ano, nalagyan natin ng ano, ng echo, gaga.
Ito nga, angas nga.
It's like
Kinokaraoke.
every year I have like a karaoke video, bro.
shit,
Holy shit.
Dami
Last
naman,
year
bro.
was
Ulitin natin to,
the
ah.
other one, bro.
Ulitin natin.
Yeah, gawin nyo dyan, okay?
Pasko.
Make some fucking noise dyan sa, ano, okay?
Sa Pasko
wala.
tsaka sa
Saka
New Year.
saka magpasko or New Year, Chris? Sa PR house or dyan? Batangas?
Batangas daw siya.
Damn, bro.
Sana all.
Just the
Sana
editors
all may
and
family.
okay.
Tanol may
fuck
family,
is-
tama no? Tanol may family, tama. Tangi ng Ken.
People from Olongapo be like,
Wala akong mauwihan kasi umalis din yung mom ko. Ay, shit.
damn, bro. I can be your mom.
Anyway, damn, bro. What the fuck? We go down, Gold ship, mustard boat. Mustard boat? What the fuck is mustard boat, bro?
boat.
Mustard boat.
What the fuck? Ang inang pangalan, mustard boat ang puta. Honestly, not gonna lie, bro. Like, I would name a horse mustard boat.
Mustard boat.
Kasi gold tsaka ship. Tapos siya mustard tapos boat. Okay.
Yeah, actually, nice. That's actually a
That's a
nice,
nice name,
horse name,
okay.
bro. The mustard
Ano,
boat.
hahanapin,
Mustard
hahanapin.
boat!
Like, bro. I-approve.
Mustard
Mustard boat! Yeah. Mustard
Sounds like a
boat!
horse name na.
Mustard boat!
Close,
How do
close.
we go down,
Galing.
Not gonna lie, ibang klaseng kamay yan. Drawing skill ni Vanilla. Oo nga,
What the
tao na si Phoenix.
fuck?
Wait, what do you mean by
Vanilla
Yeah,
tsaka si Gian,
I mean, drawing skill.
Damn, bro.
Hey, what do
Hindi
you mean by
sumisipot.
that?
Hindi
Have you not
sumisipot.
seen
Drawing nila.
John's drawing skills, bro?
No, I
What
know,
the
but
fuck, man?
what does he mean by that? Ibang klaseng kamay yan.
Wala lang. Like, he has
Ow,
the talent.
baby.
He
The
got the
talent of
hands,
the
bro.
drawing, bro.
He got the hands,
Nah,
bro.
bro.
He had the hands.
Nah, bro.
Na,
Vanilla's
malalaman
being
natin
number
ulit
one
yan
na, bro.
sa next scribble.io natin. Or
Ano yun. Tama, abangan nyo,
the next, what the fuck was that?
Gartic
Gartic
phone.
phone or something.
Yeah.
Gartic phone.
Right.
Dapat nagkakaroon
Ah, we
tayo.
go down.
Dapat every November nagkakaroon tayo ng Nostalgia November. Like, naglalaro
Tama,
tayo
tama,
ng
tama,
mga-
tama, tama.
Like, yung mga laro
Next year na lang.
natin. Yung katulad ng DVD, Nostalgia November.
Tama.
Yeah, next
bro.
year, next year.
Oh,
Next year, kung buhay pa tayo.
Nostalgia November, bro.
Holy shit.
Ano, no, not November, Nostalgia November.
November, bro. Okay,
We
next.
go down.
Swim.
Low quality but it's
Khalil,
Khalil.
bro.
Wait a minute. We already watched this, man!
Already watched
did?
it.
Oh, I think we already did.
Never mind, bro.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, you
Okay, I
propose
think
it, bro.
that's it, man.
Oh, you...
That's it,
That's it,
I think
man.
that's it, eh.
Ito, nadaanan na ba natin to?
Uy, oh,
I-
puta na, di pa napapakita to.
Ay, hindi pa ba?
How about you, man, bro?
So like, yeah, if
Tinin mo
Chris
ba to?
had that moment, I had that moment too.
Damn, bro, ba't walang nag-ano sa akin? Damn, bro. I must be fucking bad, bro.
Because you don't go out, you fucking bitch.
Ayun, no, registered RN or
Yeah, he
registered
fucking-
nurse.
Pero
Kasi-
registered na rin na siya, okay? Damn, bro, W.
Go watch the video, bro.
Let's watch it.
Serious? Silat, ang pangit ng tasa ko.
It was. Ang pangit nga.
Papasa. Papasa ka.
Thank you, sir.
Papasa ka sa aking tasa.
I love you, sir.
Damn, bro.
And then he gave me like that.
What if babagsak siya
Manifesting,
kagad?
bro.
Hindi,
Imagine
tangina, namura ka
bumagsak
pa.
siya. he gave me that Hirono thing too, bro. Nandyan pa yan.
Yeah.
Si Rono, what is si Rono?
I think I remember
Ah, ito,
seeing
this
that shit
one.
somewhere sa
Yeah,
bahay.
nasa taas, nasa kwarto ko yan. Still displayed,
Damn,
bro.
bro.
Yeah, bro.
Ayun.
Sheesh.
It was cool. Nice.
Ish.
Congrats
Ah,
sa
tingnan
mga
natin.
ano, okay.
Congratulate, to, sa mga
Sa mga-
pumasa.
Isipin nyo na lang,
pumasa.
pag hindi ka pumasa sa pagiging RN, kasalanan
RN,
nyo yun
okay.
kasi hindi nyo
Mga
kami...
real-
Kasalanan nyo yun kasi hindi nyo kami pinuntahan, okay?
Tama.
Kung pinuntahan nyo
Butag,
sana
mga
kami,
real-
hindi may blessings ka, okay.
Tama.
dapat
Next year na lang,
Next,
good luck. Next year ka na lang.
Next.
Next.
Meron pa ba?
Next year na lang.
Meron pa ba? Meron pa
Tingnan
ba?
natin. Okay, wala na. Ito, nakita na natin.
Wala
to, eh.
na, but
Yes,
we
yes,
are,
yes,
we
yes,
are
yes,
kinda
yes,
we're kinda doing something now, though.
Sige pa, speedrun. Anyways,
Okay na yan.
Ito na to.
Very
Try
good.
mo na.
Holy shit. So, ikaw na, Ken. Outrun mo na. Bagong host ng,
Any-
ng React. So,
Oh, shit.
I feel like this is gonna take a lot of takes, man.
Yeah, just get
No,
it.
It's gonna be
My boy.
take a lot of takes, bro.
Sina-
Sinabihan mo
boy,
kasi na ikaw, dapat you just casually
You just
said
do
it,
it, or?
Bro,
Oh,
my boy.
oh.
I trust my boy. I trust my boy. Okay, tinan natin.
Game. Anyways, guys, that is it for PRC Hacks. Submit pa kayo. Yung mga hindi namin nakita, i-repost nyo na lang ulit. And syempre, thank you ulit sa Patreon namin na lagi nagsumusuporta. I love you, mama. Chup chup. See you guys on the next video. Tama.
Let's go! See, I told you, bro. What the fuck, man? This guy been streaming. See what I mean?
fucking
One
take,
take only, bro.
I'll do
I
the streaming,
told you,
bro.
bro. See, he's been streaming. See, that's what happens, bro.
One fucking take, man.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Absolute
Oh, stop
cinema, bro.
recording.
Good shit.